Have you ever wondered how to control your phone from your desktop? While it's not the only existing solution on the market, the developer behind Bgm Mobile just released their own version that's open source, free to use, and it doesn't require installing an app on your phone. A new tool called Scrcpy allows you to display your phone screen on your computer with just a USB connection and ADB. No root required. Now, let us get started. Open your PC and click on the link in the description. It will redirect you to Scrcpy file for download. Here you can see 32-bit and 64-bit files. Depending upon your system architecture, choose the file. Here I am choosing 64-bit file. Just click on it and it will automatically download the file. Next, we need is Android SDK platform tools for Windows. This is the main file to connect your PC with your phone, which link is in description. After downloading both the file, place them in a folder. Both the files are zip, so we need to extract them. Extract both the files as shown in the video. Extraction may take some time. Wait till it completes. Once after completion, create a folder and name it as ADB. Copy all files from platform to a folder and paste it in ADB folder. Similarly, copy Scrcpy files and paste in ADB folder. Now, copy the ADB folder. Next, paste the file in C drive or a drive which contains your Windows. Here, I already have added file, so I am just overwriting it. Next step is enabling USB debugging on your Android phone. To enable, go to Setting and click on About Phone. Tap on Build Number for 7 times. And you get a light prompt saying you are a developer. Now go back to Setting and search of Developer Options and scroll down, find USB debugging, enable it. Make sure PC and phone is connected through USB. Back to PC. Open Command Prompt. Now, using Change Directory command, enter ADB directory. Now find whether your device is detected or not by giving command ADB devices. Once it is detected, type command Scrcpy. Voila, here you go. That's it, guys. If you do not want an command prompt every time you connect, then watch till end. There is a bonus tip. Bonus tip. Open C drive and open ADB folder, select Scrcpy and Scrcpy no console file and then make a shortcut. Then rename the shortcut file. Next time you connect your phone to PC, just double click on the shortcut. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Please subscribe my channel.